Are you tired of scrolling through thousands of emails just to find one important message? Learn how to bulk archive your entire inbox in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to select multiple emails at once. Then, we'll archive them with a single click. Let's get started. First, head over to your Gmail homepage by typing mail.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Now, go ahead and click the checkbox next to each email you want to archive. You can select multiple emails at once. Once you've made your selections, click the Archive button in the toolbar at the top. It looks like a box with a downward arrow. This will move those emails out of your inbox and into All Mail, keeping your inbox tidy. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.